You know what? It is 1 a.m. I gotta get ready for this stupid trip. I hate this. But we do have. I do have enough time to do one more live read. We can do this. Squeeze in money I can out of this week. Now that Rumble Studio works for me, which is awesome. Shout out again to the Rumble people. Like I genuinely we had so many back and forths trying to fix my Rumble Studio issue that I was like, this isn't getting fixed. Like it's not gonna get fixed. Like, you know when you just go back and forth enough times and you're like, I give up, I don't care. And then I wrote to him over the week, and I'm like, is this ever gonna get fixed? And to their credit, and today I got that message from Rumble, and they're like, can you check it now and see if it works? And I was like, oh my God. It's like, whatever you did, thank you. I'm so glad to be back on Rumble Studio. I need this in my life. You know what you need in your life, though, guys? Rumble Premium. Guys, this sponsorship right now is from Rumble, one that is incredibly important to the survival of this company. When Rumble first started in 2013, they built a platform for the small creator. They didn't censor, they didn't have biases, they were fair and treated all creators equally. No one thought platforms would censor political conversation or censor opinions on COVID, but they did. Facebook admitted they fell to pressure from the Biden and Harris administration. Mark Zuckerberg just said it this week. You know who never did that? Rumble. They held the line. They're attacked daily for giving us a voice to talk to you. They are attacked in corporate media. They're attacked by the governments like France. They're attacked by brand advertisers who refuse to work with them, like Dunkin' Donuts and all these other garbage people. No. Corporate America is fighting to remove speech. Rumble's fighting to keep it. Rumble won't survive with brand advertisers. They don't get much of it. Watching our show on Rumble is the most they can ask from you. But if you really believe in this fight and you have the means, one major way you can help Rumble survive is by joining Rumble Premium. Join the community that believes in the First Amendment and believes in our human right to free speech. Rumble is offering $10 off with the promo code STUDIO when you purchase an annual subscription. Go to rumble.com/premium and use the promo code STUDIO. Like I said, if you have the means and believe in the cause, now is the time to join Rumble Premium. If you don't have the means, we're just happy that you watch us, you support us, support our advertisers, click our links, all that great stuff, and continue to support this great platform. So we're in trouble, huh? Just saying. That, I feel like the messaging behind that wasn't great. That felt... Are we okay here? Are we all right? Like, is this place going to be here in a couple months? Like, is it going to be here after the election? I'm like... That didn't inspire hope. That wasn't a rally to get behind. Like, now it's just... I felt Aaron Imholdish. Did that not feel a bit steel-toe-ish? It felt steel-toe-ish. The words I just said out loud felt steel-toe-ish. And you know what? I'll say this. Fucking keep the money. Keep the money for the read. You know what, Rumble? Keep the money for the read. Because at first I'm sitting here, I'm self-censoring, and I'm thinking, well, I don't want them to not pay me for the read. But that read was like, you just paid me No. Fuck this. I'll say you just paid me $17.35 to sound like Aaron Imholt on behalf of a publicly traded company that I basically buy and sell shares in, but never hold on to. Like, I've worked in management my whole life before I did this. And if my owner came to me and said, convey this message to the troops, I would take some time and go, we need to work on the tone of this. We need to work on how this sounds. And we need to work on how we spin this to, like, we got to spin an L into a dub somehow. That was an L live read. That was a legitimate, please God help us. We are so fucked live read. It doesn't exactly inspire confidence for me to have to, again, keep the 1735. I don't want it. Better pay me for those other two because I nailed them. But this one, we're selling coffees. We're selling, what are we going to sell, stroke spoons soon? Nobody's putting money back into this platform. Nobody. That live read was what I have to come out and say it. That fucking it would take a piece out of my soul to not acknowledge it. What a fucking joke that just was. What a joke this is becoming. And you want to have all these fucking featured, every time I go to your front page, check out our featured entertainers and all these fucking people playing Fortnite for 49 people. And then, despite the fact that I go to 1775coffee.com, I go to all these websites, all these Rumble, you've got creators that you're under a contract that you love to be like, hey, we recommend this coffee on the website. But we're not on there. We're not on recommended creators. We are a dirty little fucking secret on this website, and I'm sick of it. I've seen it. It's been that way from day one. It will not get any better. But to be the dirty little secret on a site that's more or less a fucking, I'm starting to feel as just a house of fucking cards. I gotta get ready for this fucking trip. Guys, thank you. Thanks for everybody who donated. I might stream a little bit on the road. We'll see. Lord knows. Number one, I need the company, and number two, I probably need the super chats too. So, I'll be around. Very black pilling week. I mean, the Aaron stuff's been fun, but I'll continue to support other creators on your platform, Rumble, even though Rumble's never given us any support. Yeah, they put us on the front page, editors picks, whatever. They got to make money back somehow, but other than that, I'm gonna love. We got no inclusion. Whatever. Fuck. There we go. Let's raid some of our other great creators that we love. Oh, I just did it in the wrong room. I'm an idiot. At least they know what I'm doing. All right, guys. Oh, nope. Something went wrong. Thank you to everybody who donated. Thank you to the wonderful mods. You guys are all amazing. I'm sorry. We'll come back strong, I promise. It's going to be good times ahead, but for now... Again, when you are a gang that is known for violence and intimidation, ways information could change as the investigations continue. Love you guys. Take care. Update, we have received specific questions from the public about Jan Hart.